What's up, guys? So today is another day of vlogging, and I just got done training triceps, and now I'm on my way to let my girlfriend's dog out at her house since she's at work right now. But while I'm doing that, check out the tricep footage. This is Wiggles. Wiggles, what are you doing? Ready to go outside? Go outside? Having some swai. I think I might just make a sandwich tonight out of this swai. Looks good. Well, now that my dinner's ready, I'm gonna go eat it while I watch the latest episode of The Walking Dead. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.